Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your Facebook profile from appearing in search results on the major search engines. So if you don't want your profile to be indexed and visible from Google search, for example, or Bing search, this is what will be covered in today's tutorial, and this will be occurring on your iOS or Android version of the Facebook app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it and start off by opening up your Facebook account. Select the profile icon in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select the Settings button, and then under Preferences, go down, just keep scrolling down actually, underneath Audience and Visibility, how people find and contact you, select that. And then there's a section that says, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? When the setting is turned on, search engines may link to your profile in their results. When the setting is off, search engines will stop linking to your profile, but this may take some time. Your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. Again, turn this on or off depending on your preference, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.